Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your game-specific DLC or add-on for your PS5 Pro. So just locate the game. So here's Call of Duty, for example. All I have to do is go all the way down under the game product. And here we have add-ons. So we can go to the right, and we can go to View All Add-Ons. So if you have DLC something for your game, you should be able to find it just under here. So if I bought anything, it should display. Now, you might have to look at the in-game options as well if you don't find it under here, but it says I bought something, it says I purchased this. So let's go to a different game now. Minecraft, see if I bought anything for Minecraft. So let's go all the way down for add-ons, view all add-ons, and everything should be listed under here. And I don't think I bought anything for Minecraft, but hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.